Your competitor is ready. Let's review how your business stacks up across different time frames. From the Quick Hub dashboard, go to Quick Reviews. Open Metrics and scroll to Competitor Benchmarking. Select the competitor you added to load the side-by-side comparison. Hover over the charts to see exact values and dates. Switch the time frame to monthly, and hover again to inspect recent trends. Change to 6 months and review midterm performance. Then, select yearly to see long-term patterns. With Quick Hub, you can move between all monthly, 6 months, and yearly views to spot strengths, identify gaps, and focus on the areas that will move the needle most. Now, what if you need a quick snapshot of your monthly performance? Here's how to view and share monthly reports in Quick Hub. From the dashboard, open Documents. Click the eye icon next to Monthly Reports to open the report. Scroll through the report to review your key metrics, charts, and insights. When you're ready to share, click the Share button and choose Facebook. You can also share a direct link. Just click Share again, then select Link to copy it. Continue scrolling to double-check all sections of your monthly report. And that's it. With competitor benchmarking and monthly reports in Quick Hub, you'll always know how you're performing, where you stand against the competition, and you'll have clear insights to share with your team or clients.